Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It is another opportunity for $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. But before then, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, but you can always grow it from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend right from there. Okay, we can, if we should notice, it's started selling right from this resistance zone, and of course it gave us a red flag from here and gave us a red arrow from here, and of course it started selling right from there. The red arrow signifies a sell signal, while the red flag signifies a downtrend. Okay, so and that is the best combination right here. So it's so till it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, and that is why it is ranging around there. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will go back on buy trend. So we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. However, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend for a while, got to the resistance zone, was unable to go further, and of course right from there it started selling. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, which means that this market is going to be selling for long. Okay, but we need to wait for it to break out from this support zone, and of course that will make it sell for a very long time. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 1000. Let's check, crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and of course it started an uptrend from there, and of course it has given us a yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend, and of course blue arrows, which signifies a buy signal. Okay, once it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity because this is coming from a major support zone. Okay, and of course in case it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling, but for now it is still buying, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had actually been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, had not been able to break out below it. Okay, may likely go back into an uptrend, but we need to wait for all the necessary signals. And the first thing is the trend signal, which is the yellow flag, and of course you now follow the blue arrow, which is the buy signal. Okay, but for now it is still selling. This might not be for long because it is already at a major support zone, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it will keep on selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. Volatility 75 started an uptrend right from this support zone, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback and went back up again. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the trading analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, and practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.